Joey. Joe. Wake up. It's morning. I made you breakfast.
No, you didn't.
It's right there.
How the frick is it working?
Look. 9:34, bud.
Oh my gosh.
Come on. Got a big day today.
Dude, liar.
Well,
Wait,
not
you're
lying.
not. I can't believe it. I could just go sleep again.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh. When did you wake up and cook this?
About 8 o'clock.
Is it sunny outside?
Yeah. Look at the light.
Oh, that's weird. I thought that was night.
Nope, it's daytime. You want some milk?
Huh?
Want some milk?
I want some water, please.
Okay. Hello? Reem. Tired, huh?
Yeah. I can put my face right in it.
I bet.
What?
Hmm?
What?
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 Did I drool?
I don't know, did you?
Did you sleep down here?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I slept in, I guess.
Yep.
Right back.
Where are you going?
Knees first. Oh my gosh.
What?
Duck.
Yeah.
Knees first. Is it okay if I just let him out real quick?
You know what time it is?
What?
You know what time it is?
What?
2:30 in the morning.
Good trick.
I know, huh?
Then I'll eat that later.
Okay.
Gosh.
Okay. Still gonna go to the bathroom?
Yeah, I need to.
Okay. Oh. I messed up. Okay.